Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Nasaan ko? Ilang Sheryl. Where are you going?
Batok soda.
Ah, he's going to buy some soda. Look at this guys. It's, wow, it's tugas. They bought this one for all one set. It's 2,500. 2,000. Kaya nangita man po silang mic.
Hindi ito.
Lagi ho, ito pang... Even in the bathroom?
Katong ilakuan kato si, kato bang giparitan ni mo kahoy ba? Si Kuan dyan. Sa to?
Kalimut mong kus nga na.
Juni?
Juni.
O, 3 media.
Kanito 5 ra. Pero, magkuhan pa ang bukalayo. Eh, ba nang balin siya?
Di man.
Ah, okay. Okay na di ayo. Eh, nakasave mag 500. Look at the door, guys. It's a tugas. Wow.
Eh, sira, ini ganahan niya ko is mahog katong mahogani. Ini yung matulaki nga, ma'am. Basta ko ang tugas, judaw kay termite sa gidaw sa front door, bag sa front door.
Sa front door lang.
Mo, sagara mo gino ko mama pud ayon nang sa front door kanahan ng kuan.
Wow. Look at this. Check.
Sa Yale bet na. Bet na.
Pilit ni money. How much this one? This one makapaltag, be? City Hardware? Oh, okay. Mahal gapon na eh. $100. $100. Pero one set na siya. Kani one set. For this one, guys, it's almost $100.
Supposed to be the best brand in the Philippines.
Oh yeah, this is the best brand in the Philippines. Sa mga lahat.
Just for security.
O dapat lang yun. Kaya kasi may million so din eh.
No million.
Wala mag-Gucci. Pagka, this is for gas. This one guys is 10,000 include this jam. 10,000 for one set. Kaso sila magpabay, no? My God. It's really... Magkapobre. Anthony Patoga pa ko pabay. Dalagan ko kwarta ron. Saan man dad eh.
Dito may inyo kay businessman.
I know.
Mo balik ba?
I always came here guys at the right time because it's snack time. Yeah, look. They have salad. Oh my God. Salad. Buko salad. What is this? Ito lang po ni Day.
Kaya ako na ginagi kas Canada.
Anya?
Nagdako anig mga duha kayong ani tapos isa ka sink sa sink sa kuan. Marag dili man ko nang fitting marag dili pariha.
Dili ka pariha.
Kuningon si Willie, kapangitaan daw nagpamaagi. Kay bari na raman nimo. Sa kilid ba?
So she bought this one guys from Canada. And she said that the fitting is no good. But her...
Not the same fittings what we have here.
Yeah, not the same. So her poor man's going to find a way so she can use this one. And this is a nice one.
It's a good thing that we bought that. It's harder of the day. It's all set na.
Oh yes, we have like that's the best one, you know.
Lafunsa.
Yeah, it's cheaper but the best one. I like that. We have like that in the in the kitchen bathroom guys. Yeah, we have like that. Cheaper but it's the best one for
Always
me.
made in China.
Yeah, we bought it.
Lafunsa, makayang you think that it's from Italy?
Oh, they have color, the butterflies. Our thing is plain. No designs.
Ang design ko nga ganahan green, pwede mo kuan to green.
Sa green po di mong tiles.
Ang buti niya sa iyang siguro gusto niya.
So he is the one who picked this thing. Wow.
He thinks that there's flowers and butterflies, so you know flower smells good. So when you do number 2 daw, it would smell good.
He's laughing.
He always like, oh sure, we'll buy this so when we
Wow, you almost done, huh? And then the next one. The ceiling. Oh, I will come here. I will come here tomorrow so I can film how they doing the ceiling.
Kasi gamit yung ganyan ang gamit yun, no?
What's man eh?
Binila ang 1/4.
Paano na mong gamit ka ng hardiplex? Katong to kay dito madali-dali og kaguba.
Kuan lagi sa ni. Ano ko di mo sa mama ko jay ang amo sa una nag-defect na nga.
Nagtaktak?
Oo, kadugayan ba?
Ay, nang bugat, magpupunat siya dyan niya.
Oo. Ya, ang siya kay itong pag-join sa kuwaro, siya ganang amot nga kay pagpitsuro taro pagka-join ito ba?
Abasin. So they don't like the hardiflex, guys. We're using hardiflex. This one is marine.
Bugnaw daw ni.
Ah, this one is color. Ah, I don't know that.
Hindi na siya anayon kaya nakaluto naman.
Amo, really?
Oo.
Ah, so the termites will not eat this thing.
The enemy here is when you get wet, when you have a leak on the roof.
Ah, you should be careful that the roof is not leaking. But anyway, I didn't see any sun.
Naisa, bukura.
Na?
Sa rivets, nasa ito na. Pag-anang nasa rivets, ito na rin.
Ay, uy, two up. I see it.
But for the rivet,
Yeah, I saw it.
there.
So what happened?
So maybe they can put some epoxy on it. Yeah.
Volcasin.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good thing, it's outside sa garage.
Yes, it's just in the garage. Mark and Cora, they using wood. It's really look nice.
Yeah, but very expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive. But
The one that I told you, there's a foreigner in Gindulman. They were building
yeah,
house.
they're using
you
the
watch
wood.
video?
Oh my God, it's so nice. You go.
Old wood.
You see, mga tunay kaayo.
You have, the husband is American, no?
Yeah, Mike, he's an
Very nice
American.
couple.
They are very nice couple. They are the one who teach me how to fix the aircon, you know, the leaking.
Yeah, I thought I look at Lynn, try to be a
Because my brother, he don't know everything. And then I post a video by YouTube, and then Mike sent message to Anthony, and he teach him how to do it. And I tried, and it's working.
Yeah.
It's working good. Now no more
Told you
leaking.
thing like,
Why?
nene mga kuan, sumunod na home dito.
Kanang namdyan na siya mga hugaw or kanang basta murag ni bara.
It was clogged.
Yes.
Why?
Yeah,
When your aircon works, it make a lot of water
Yeah.
dripping.
Yes.
But if the hole is blocked,
Yes, correct. And then that's it. I'm using the vacuum. Ah,
Yeah,
so
the
good. You have to buy you have to buy vacuum too.
Nilagay, snack na. Nilagay.
Oh, ako yun na. Ako yun na.
You have, where's that?
you want a glass of Coke?
Sa kanya, okay yung kutsara.
And you want some Coke?
For sure.
Yeah.
Right timing. Really good timing, oh.
Ako na binagyan mo ano kasi ampot lami pag
Wow, looks good. Look at that guy.
pasalad.
Wow. So, na-structured mo dire. Si Anthony, sige nagkagool. Rake, Rak.
Anthony is worried.
Anthony already, Rake. He's so busy. Grabe. Anthony, grabe na jud niyang ka-depress ko no dito.
Okay, di may madali ka makalihok man ta. Ano ganahan din, hey.
Cho, dito kuno kay pila na ka last time akong gi-check 52,000 nagnamatay. 2,000 already dead in USA. Yeah.
Oh wait, in New York it's very...
Yeah, you're lucky because you're stuck in here. Bohol is pre-virus right now.
We prepare it here. Mas safe ang good din.
Makalaglaag ta dito, stuck ka to bahay niya.
Na makatutag dagat anytime.
But in Quebec now
Lamig
it's
siya.
only...
Wow, it's the best.
Then where's Willie?
Lingkod ko dali. This is the chair of the Filipino, guys. It's the best one. Lingkod ra ka.
Yeah, good.
Ta. Pila ka kabok na trabahante niya mo diri ron?
Ha?
Pila ka ba ka trabahante diri ron?
Kung sila, tulo niya isa namin sila nag-ihaw na itong baboy.
Ito, jud gamay na lang siya kuwang day. Mahuman jud siguro ni before
May makauli.
makabalik.
May tanak din.
Yeah. Where is your thing, Rock? For the plumbing?
The house, I think.
It's in the, how much did you,
PPR Fusion.
how much did you bought it?
Near 4,000.
4,000?
It's industrial. We find another one, 2,000.
So maybe that one is the best one because it's expensive.
But because that's the first one we find. So we
have no
try it by the way, and after we find a cheaper.
Oh.
But I tell to Willie, if someone want to make, they will need it in the future. I think in the future, everybody will use this kind of
Yeah,
pipe.
so true, and you
So
can
I
rent it.
told them if you want to do job for the piping, you
Yeah.
can use it and we can rent it a
Yeah.
little bit at
Yes.
500 maybe.
Because we don't need it. It's more
It takes
expensive than
only less than 3 hours doing all the pipe of the house.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
very fast.
Very fast.
Put it in the machine, 3 seconds, and it's.
That's it. Finished.
yeah.
Wow. That's
Every connection, 3 seconds.
wow. Where did you buy it? Buy it?
ubay.
Ubay?
Ito sa laba.
Ah.
Ubay laba marketing. Nakaadto ka tong ni kuan kag tangke.
Katong nagkuhan kong tangki.
Sa laba. Diba si laba marketing? Yeah, that's a laba
I
marketing.
always forget the name of the
Because we
hardware.
went there for canvassing the trusses, but they are more expensive than Gindolman.
So Gindolman is
I'm friendly with the
cheaper.
woman at Gindolman. She always give me a good price.
Wow, that's nice.
Huh? The woman always give me a good. Like it's here that like ngani pa
So that's your wire.
Oh, the wire that we use for the.
No, for the connecting of the neighbor.
So that's still not the
Because
wiring.
we don't
No.
have the post again.
So what number you use for your wirings?
I think it's 10.
10? I'll use the 6. 6,
Six?
yeah, we use the 6.
6 probably it's from the post.
No, we use 4. From the
Oh,
post.
boy.
We use,
It's
we
way
use 4.
expensive because they use
Our
the.
is 6 from the post of the company to the house. It's 6.
No.
And inside the house it's 10 and 12.
We use 4.
Basta niri pila ko ni niri sa inyo.
50 tanan.
Niri,
50,000. But it's okay because if we have trouble, nearest.
Yeah, so you can.
Yeah, I can call him easy and he will go there and check. And he's the one who connect the what is that? The generator. Everything. And then,
Have a generator,
yeah, we
plus
have.
You need a special box.
Yeah,
When
we
the
have.
electric stop, the
Yes,
generator
yes,
stop,
yes,
and
yes.
when the electric come back.
Yeah. So
That's why he
automatic.
asked me niri
That's
sa ma'am.
something,
Yun na generator no.
Oh, it's really useful because here in Anda is always brand out. And Anthony, you're
But since we are here near 6 months, we don't miss
No,
the
only
electric.
when there's a typhoon, I think. There was one time, diba, itong sa Leyte?
oh,
Sa
from
Leyte nga.
Yolanda.
Oh, nga bagyo.
Maybe it's like
Yolanda.
1 month or 2 months no electricity
electric.
here.
Because they got the source from Leyte.
Mm.
I didn't know we get the source, the electric from Leyte.
Leyte and Cebu.
I was thinking that.
Tagbilaran is Cebu and here in here Anda whatever Talibon it's in Leyte.
Morning from Leyte.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy. It's really.
Honestly, your place is not hot. It's cool. even still no ceiling.
Labi na mabutang daw ni.
Yeah.
And I closed the window because of the fire.
Yeah. Wow.
Dito tungod sa kahoy, I think because of the trees over there. Do a shade ba?
Go away.
Yeah, the shade. Do the shade. Maragang hangin po dapat doon din.
Mm.
Marap